Hey guys, this is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with a plan with me using the Fall in Love kit. This is going to be a 100% voiceover plan with me, and I think the next one might be as well. I just needed a little bit of a break to kind of just plan by myself. I did actually talk on a couple of these clips, but I was like, am I just going to leave like a 30-second clip in each that are talk through? I might as well just do a voiceover for all of them. So like I said, this week I am using Fall in Love, and I am using Champagne Lights, which is my favorite specialty foil because it looks like the sparkly hollow version of gold. It's like sparkly gold. It's so pretty. I am bringing in gold bougie boxes, and I just think it works perfectly because, like I said, I feel like this is very like similar to our gold, but just sparkly. And I love this kit. I love Practical Magic. And when Jess told me she was doing Practical Magic art, I almost flew off my chair because it's something that's been on my list for a really long time. But I just wasn't sure like how many people liked Practical Magic. I know I do, but I was just so excited that she did it because I was like, well, I guess I have to use it. So happy about the way that the kit turned out, how it's just so pretty when it's all laid out, especially with champagne lights. But I think this would be really pretty with silver, gold, champagne lights. It'd be really pretty with rose gold. Like, it's a really good one for many foils, or even with matte taupe, or I think we called it satin taupe. But actually, whenever I looked at it, it does look pretty much the same as matte taupe did, but in my head, it looked more satin. I don't know, but I think matte or satin is a good explanation for that. But I think that'd be really pretty with this. There was in last year's Advent a mixed metal of matte taupe and rose gold. I think that'd be really, really pretty. But yeah, so I really just love the way the spread turned out, and I am very excited to get into it with you. I will start, I guess, with the like plans because I always end up kind of talking not in line with the video just because sometimes I have like stories to tell, sometimes I don't. It's kind of like, is my week boring? Most of the time, yes, but hopefully I have some stories for you. So actually I'm kind of nervous that the like plans that I have pulled up are not like what's in the video, so we're just gonna wait a second and see. Actually, I'll just pull out my planner. Sometimes I'm like, Andre, just keep talking and fill in all of the silence, and that's what I'm trying to do currently while I flip to the page. Let's see. Yes. So on Monday, I did sleep in. I had a long night with Theo. I think he was going through his like 4-month regression because I would say about a week ago, he started sleeping through the night again with no wake-ups. And then I did order Bennett's birthday stuff. So all the things that I needed for his birthday party. I think I ordered his cake possibly the week before. I'm not sure, but I had a bunch of decorations that I wanted to purchase. He's not having like a huge birthday party or anything. I mean, it's going to be like, I want to have like a birthday party for him, even if though it's not that many people, you know what I'm saying? So, just because, I mean, like this year, I feel like is the year that he's like fully 110% getting it, and I'm very excited for it. And he picked the theme, so I'm very pumped. I did film this day, and then we had some family time. I did work on my script storage. This was like, my script storage was probably like a 5-week process, like on and off, obviously, of working on it. Some days I'd work on it for hours. It's finally done. It's now just an upkeep situation. And then I was very, very irritated at Nick. I mean, he's my husband. I'm going to get irritated at him. So I put that in my planner. And I love these Once More with Love stickers for it because of like, it's just perfect. You just like, one's annoyed and the other one's like, huh. Then on Tuesday, I put in that Bennett went to the in-laws. And I love these little Once More with Love backpack stickers for that because it's so cute. And then I did put in that we did decorate for Halloween. Whenever Bennett came home the next day, he was like, oh, Halloween decorations. And I was like, yeah. He's like, it's so cool. And I was like, I just love that kid so much. He's already talking about Christmas trees and like decorating that. So he got like over Halloween fast and he's ready for Christmas. Then we did have Jeffrey's for dinner, which is my favorite steak place in Austin, Nick's too, obviously. And then I did go to work and print labels this night. And then I did watch 90 Day Happily Ever After with Nick, which is probably our favorite as of what's going on right now. Like what shows are on. Obviously, the Darcy one's kind of boring. And then The Other Way is currently on hold. And we're also watching like past seasons of 90 Day Before the 90 Day. So we're watching a lot of stuff right now. That and like Jersey Shore, and that's about it. I haven't even watched Lucifer yet. I am like behind on everything, but I am like here for Jersey Shore and 90 Day. Then on Wednesday, I did sleep in. Thea was up a bunch in the middle of the night, so we just, like, slept a little bit later. And then I put in this, like, salty sticker because I had, like, a salty moment, and Nick kind of, like, rolled his eyes, but it was, like, family social media related, and I was, like, so irritated this morning. Looking back on it, it's kind of funny, but, like, at the same time, I'm still, like, are you serious? But it's not a real thing, but it was just like, wow, okay. And then I put in that we had Holy Bagel, which we had Holy Bagel in Starbucks, and I love Holy Bagel. It is so, so good. If you live in Austin, you need to try it. I get a plain or an everything, depending on my, like, day of the week, and then I get egg whites, cheese, I think we just get American, I'm not even sure, and then bacon. Well, it's double egg white. It's so good, and Nick and I split one, and then we get our Starbucks drink, and it is, like, the best breakfast in the whole wide world, unless you're getting, like, a bagel from, like New York, you know. Then I did go to work for a little bit, and then we went over to my in-laws, and we had burgers on the grill. That was per my request. My father-in-law made those, which I was like, yes. And then this night we were looking at furniture, just, like, kind of, like, browsing, like, all different websites. Nick and I love, like, house stuff, I guess, like, just, like, stuff, or even just, like, looking at houses on Zillow is, like, one of our favorite things to do, and just, like, look at houses in different places and different price points and just be like, that's cool, that's not cool, that's cool, that's not cool, you know, and just kind of, like, look at different furniture. I don't know. Then on Thursday we wanted to go to Waffle House, but their phone was, like, unable, like, no one, like, we got through, and then the girl put me on hold, but, like, didn't actually put me on hold, so I was just listening to, like, the hustle and bustle of Waffle House. And then, like, it was, like, 15 minutes, so we were, like, driving there, and we were, like, trying to do, like, curbside, and we got there, and it was packed. And, like, Waffle House, if you've ever been to one, I don't think I've ever been to a Waffle House that was very big. And I was like, Nick, you are not going in there. There's no way that, like, you could go in there and order to go without, like, being within 6 feet of somebody. So we ended up just getting McDonald's for breakfast, which was super annoying because, like, Waffle House is something that I've been very hungry for. But I just need to find a time that's, like, a good time to get Waffle House, which is probably, like, 6 p.m. Then I did go to work and print mystery labels this day. I did design this day. I think I was finishing up all of my foil designs for my big, like, foil order, and I am so excited for the new wiggle format. It'll probably premiere in February or late January, but it is so cute, and I'm so excited. It's definitely been a long time, like, coming, and I'm really most excited that the sheets will all be the same size. It's something I wanted to do in the beginning, but for some reason I always just assumed people wanted to, like, keep, like, 15 millimeters all together, but, like, I feel like I've always watched people's videos and they store all the wiggles, like, with, like, if it's a red wiggle, they store it, like, together. But yeah, so I'm really excited about that. You guys will see that eventually. Then I did put in that I was cuddling Theo, and then I put in that I was sad because there's this YouTuber, and I'll just cam and fam if you want to look it up. There's a trigger warning in the video, so that's, like, but it was, like, I was sad. And I don't even, like, really follow them heavily, but it was just sad. Like, sad. And then this day, Nick also shaved his mustache, and I just kind of, like, doodled a mustache on a Once More With Love little, like, emoji head. Nick, we decided a couple of months ago that Nick was not going to shave his, like, beard, like, and mustache area, just because he's never done it before. He's always been very baby faced or, like, a little bit of stubble, and we were like, when in Rome in a pandemic, you can just, like, not shave your face, and I don't like it. I decided that I'm for sure don't like it. And then I kind of, like, he had a mustache and it definitely looked really creepy, but then, like, when he shaved it, I was like, am I sad that he doesn't have a mustache anymore? I don't even know. But now looking back at the mustache, I realized that I don't like the mustache, and I'm, like, happy with where we normally keep it, which is, like, fully shaved or, like, light stubble. That's, like, as much as I could do. The mustache was hilarious though, and every time I look at the picture, I'm glad we did do it, because it was funny. Then on Friday, Bennett was in a mood this day. He is, like, so moody sometimes, like an actual teenager. And then I did have my Aura Estelle collab this day, which I was so excited about, and I just love that planner. I have so many more collabs coming with Tiki, and Tiki is just, like, the best. It's, like, she's just so innovative, and her sense of, like, style and fashion when it comes to, like, this kind of stuff is, like, next level. And she has so much stuff that, like, she hasn't released yet and in her brain that, like, it just is so good. And I'm so excited that I get to, like, help and, like, collaborate and, like, I don't know, it's just so fun. And I'll definitely explain more about that, like, when those items come out that I'm talking about. Which is so good. Then I did clean my office this day. I did go to work and print labels. I watched Double Shot at Love. I love that show. I love Jersey Shore. Everything Jersey Shore. I'm just a big fan. And then I was in my feelings this night, which it's been, like, far and few between. I think that's the right words, but, you know, sometimes it happens. Then Bennett woke up begging to go to my in-laws. Usually he goes once a week for a sleepover, and this day he woke up and he would not stop complaining about wanting to go. So my in-laws don't do anything. They're basically retired, so they were like, yeah, just bring him up. So Bennett did go to my in-laws this day, and then I just spent most of the day just cuddling Theo because he's a baby and he's really squishy. And then we did have Uchiko for dinner, and then we had Uchiko kind of early, and then we were really bad and we ordered Chewy's later, and we ordered a fajita for two for, like, the next day just to eat. And then we ordered queso, we love Chewy's queso. We get, like, the big one, and we just, like, watch 90 Day and eat queso. Then on Sunday, we did sleep in because, again, there was a lot of wake-ups involved. And then I did finish my script storage this day, which was amazing. Nick and I just had kind of a little bit of a date day until we went and picked up Bennett. And then I put in that I had a really bad headache because I think I mentioned this before. I don't know if I did or maybe I didn't. I don't know. But I get a bad headache whenever I go to my in-laws, and I think we found the culprit. They their house has, like, a new house smell, and then on top of it, they had this fragrance warmer in the, like, front door area, and they moved it to their bedroom, and now I only get a headache whenever I'm, like, near their bedroom. So I think that it's the fragrance warmer. It's like a Bath & Body Works vanilla one, I think. So now I don't get a headache when I go there, but the headaches were so bad that I would have to take, like, Advil prior to going to their house. But we figured it out, and now it's just so much better. And then I did film and edit. So I hope that you guys like this week's spread. I think it turned out really, really pretty. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in my next video.